Hello everyone, welcome back guys. So this is the third video of this series, right? That is tricks for faster calculation in CUET to carry CUET 2022. So we have already discussed how to find the square of number up to 100. So in this video we'll learn how to find the square of any number that is between 100 to 125, right guys? Means you can say base 50, base 100. So let's start with. So these are some learning objectives of Vedic maths. We have already discussed these things in the first video. So guys, how to find the square of any number greater than 100, or you can say between 100 to 125, right? So what to do? So it's similar. This is similar to the last one. The number lies between 75 to 100. So in this case, you can use two methods to find the square of any number, method 1 and method 2, like the previous one. So what is method 1? Let's say you have to find n square. Number is n, you have to find n square. First we'll see, and here n should be more than 100. And 100 se bada hoega. So first we'll see the number is how much more than 100. Let's say number is x more than 100. So last two digits of n square, last two digits of n square, last two digits of n square should be same as x square. And to get the remaining digits, what we'll do? We'll add x in the number, right? That is the second step. वहाँ minus कर रहे थे, x को number से यहाँ add करना पड़ेगा. That's the only difference basically. So for example, let's say number is 100 into 108 means 108 square. So ले लेते हैं कि what is 108 square. So here number is 108. Number is 108. You have to find 108 square. First, what we'll see? We'll see the number that is 108 is how much more than 100. This number is 8 more than 100. 8 more than 100. So the last two digits of 108 square should be same as 8 square. Should be same as 8 square means 64. And to get the remaining digits, what we'll do? बाकी digit find करने के लिए इसमें 8 कर दो बस. Right? वहाँ minus कर दो. 108 plus 8 means 116. The remaining digit should be 116. So 108 square is 11664, right? That is 108 square, guys. Got it, all of you? So similarly, you can find the square of, let's say, this one. What is 103 square? What is 103 square? So first we'll see 103. Here number is 103. We'll see the number is how much more than 100. 103 is 3 more than 100. 3 more than 100, right? 3 more than 100. So last two digits of 103 square, last two digits of 103 square should be same as 3 square. So last two digits comes out to be 09. 3 square is 9, but you have to write last two digits. That should be 09. And to get the remaining digits, हम number में add करेंगे what? 3, not 9. क्या add करेंगे? कितना ज़्यादा था? 3. We'll add 3. So 103 plus 3 gives you what? 106. 106. So 103 square is what? 10609. Right, so easy guys, you can solve it orally, right? No need of pen and paper. So let's learn second method. जैसे कि first मैंने बताया था 75 to 100 के लिए. So take same example. Let's say 108 square. You find what is 108 square. To write 108 square in this way. 108 into 108. Right, 100 into 108 and 108. So 108 is how much more than 100? 8 more than 100 means plus 8. Similarly, this is also 8 more than 100 is plus 8. So last two digits of 108 square, last two digits of 108 square should be same as 8 into 8 means 64. 64. या तो इन दोनों को 8 कर दो, either in this way or in this way. So 108 plus 8 gives you what? 116. So 108 square, guys, is what? 11664. 11664. The same thing. 11664. Right. Method 2. For this example, here you have to find 103 square. Right, 103 is 103, 103. So this is 3 more than 100 means plus 3. 3 more than 100 means plus 3. Right. So guys, last two digits of 103 square should be same as 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9, but you have to write last two digits means 09. To get the remaining digits, 103 plus 3 is what? 106. So 103 square is what? 10609, right? 10609. Great. You have to apply two you have to apply two steps basically. कोई से भी method में. Now last one. What is 103 square? What is 103 square? 103 square. You can use any method. But basically both are same things. The way of representation is different only. 103 square, right? So 103, sorry 113. 103 तो already discuss कर लिया हम लोगों ने. What 113 square? We've already discussed 103 square. 113 square, guys. So first, what we'll see, 13 is how much more than 100. 13 is how much? 113 is how much more than 100. 113 is how much more than 100? 13. 113 is 13 more than 100, right? 13 more than 100. So last two digits of 113 square should be same as 13 square. 13 square is what? 169. So the last two digits of 113 square should be same as 13 square is 69. And one is carryover. To get the remaining digits, just add 13 in the number. It's 13 plus 113. What we will get? 126. 1 is carryover. 126 plus 1 is 127. 113 square should be 12769. 12769. Again, second method you can also apply. Write 113 square is 113, 113. So this is 13 more than 100. And this is also 13 more than 113 is 13 more than 100. To get the last two digits, just multiply these. 13 into 13 is 169. You have to write last two digits only, 69. 1 is carryover. So या तो इसको ऐड कर दो या ऐड कर दो, we will get same things. दोनों ही नंबर सेम है. 113 plus 13 is what? 126 plus 1, 127. तो वैसे तो by the way both are same things. ये हमने यहाँ देखा 13 more than 100, तो 13 square, यहाँ भी 13 square कर रहे हो. Similarly 113 plus 13 यहाँ भी same thing. But way of representation is different only. Right? जो भी आपको best way of representation लग रहा है, you can use it. Second method से you can, this second method you can also use for different numbers, right? So guys, these examples are homework for you. आप खुद से find करिएगा 107 square, 119 square, 113 square, 102 square and 124 square, right? फिर calculator से cross check करिएगा. So that's all for this video, guys. In next video, we'll learn how to multiply two different numbers nearest to 100, like 92 into 96, 104 into 111, right? So bye-bye everyone. Take care, guys. Thank you. So please like this video and subscribe our channel.